Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do freekeh soup with vegetable. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First we're gonna see our ingredients. I have here 2 cups of whole grain freekeh. I'm gonna rinse it good and leave it in soak for around 2 hours, and it's better to leave it in soak the whole night. Some frozen vegetables, carrots, green beans, yellow corn, whatever you like you can add in it. 1 chopped onion, 3 or 4 minced garlic cloves, 1 spoon of butter, some olive oil, and salt. You can also whatever you like from the spices. If you using just water, here I'm gonna use a chicken broth. It's already coming with the spices. These are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our soup. In a pot over medium-high heat, put the butter, add over it the olive oil, and leave it melted. When it's melted, add the onion, fry it a little bit, not too much. Then add the garlic. Stir it until you start smelling the garlic. Then add the soaked freekeh. Stir all together. Cover it and leave it frying for around 5 minutes. Then add over it the water, or the chicken soup. In this moment you can add also the spices that you have and leave it cooking until it's done. How to know that the freekeh is ready? Take a little bit of it and taste it. If it's cooked, then add the vegetables that you like. Add over it the salt, stir it a little bit, and leave it cooking for around 20 minutes. And that's it. Our soup is ready. It's a very delicious and healthy soup. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.